Welcome back to MVP Auto, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into a masterpiece of engineering, the new 2025 Ford Mustang GTD. This isn't just another Mustang. This is a street-legal race car that pushes boundaries and redefines performance. Buckle up, because this is going to be an exhilarating ride. First, let's talk about the looks. The 2025 Ford Mustang GTD is a visual powerhouse, blending aggressive aerodynamics with Ford's iconic Mustang design. Up front, the massive grille and sculpted hood scream performance, while the carbon fiber accents and rear wing showcase its racing DNA. It's not just about looking good, it's about slicing through the air with precision. Step inside, and you're greeted with a driver-focused cockpit. The cabin features premium materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and titanium. The digital instrument cluster is packed with performance data, while the track-ready bucket seats ensure you're locked in for every twist and turn. Under the hood is where the magic happens. The Mustang GTD packs a 5.2-liter supercharged V8, producing over 800 horsepower. Let that sink in, 800 horsepower in a street-legal Mustang. And it's paired with an advanced 8-speed dual-clutch transmission that delivers lightning-fast shifts. The GTD doesn't just have raw power, it has brains to match. Ford equipped it with an advanced active suspension system, adjustable ride height, and a near-perfect weight distribution thanks to its transaxle layout. On the track, this means razor-sharp handling and unparalleled stability, making you feel like a pro racer. Now, let's talk exclusivity. The Mustang GTD is a limited production model, meaning only a lucky few will get their hands on one. And with a price tag starting around $300,000, it's a serious investment for those who want to own a piece of Ford's racing legacy. The 2025 Ford Mustang GTD is more than just a car, it's a statement. It's Ford proving they can compete with the best in the world. Whether you're a Mustang fan, a track enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates incredible engineering, this car is something special. What do you think? Is the Mustang GTD worth the hype? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future reviews. This is MVP Auto, signing off. See you in the next one.